we've got many partners now with successful commercial products in market that we can point to as case studies. So not only does the technology actually work as we say it will, the products that are produced are actually selling in market and there's a demand from consumers.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Brent Charlton, the president and CEO of Enwave Corporation. And Brent, great to see you again. How are you?
I'm great, Steve.
Good stuff. Good to have you along, and good because you have a pretty big, exciting announcement out for the company today. And this is something that you and I talked about at the end of 2024, that you want to see more of these types of deals. And this is a significant one because it involves an area of the world that you have not worked in before.
You're exactly right. This is our first foray into the Brazilian market. We have royalty partnerships in Colombia and Peru and Chile. So this will be the fourth country that we've entered into in South America, and we're really excited about doing so with Solve Solutions.
Yeah. So this company is an interesting one. They've got a lot of different areas that they work in, correct?
Yeah, it's one company within a parent company that operates in several different industries successfully, the textile industry, food manufacturing, amongst others. So all in all, it's a well-capitalized partner whom has already invested in building a facility to house the first machine that will go down in early, call it Q3 of our fiscal year, to begin testing. Assuming that testing goes well, they would likely acquire that 10 kilowatt starter unit and then look at a larger unit sort of later in calendar 2025.
Brent, was this a great example of what you're trying to tell people? They came out to your facility in Delta, British Columbia, and sort of did a lot of testing there and then realized they wanted to take the next step. So that has to be a real positive for the way that you operate the business.
Definitely. It's a critical part in our sales process is the ability that we can showcase the merits of our technology firsthand at our innovation center locally here. But also, we've got many partners now with successful commercial products in market that we can point to as case studies. So not only does the technology actually work as we say it will, the products that are produced are actually selling in market and there's a demand from consumers.
Yeah. Talk to me a bit about Brazil. Is it a big market? Is this something that you see potentially more opportunity there as well?
Very much so domestically. Obviously, there's different cost profiles for the products that are being sold in their regional markets, but more so, it's a fantastic opportunity to harness the quality of the raw materials that are available, the low-cost labor for export opportunities. And that's what Solve Solutions will focus on, both the domestic opportunity for distribution on a B2B and B2C basis, and as well internationally.
Yeah, I would imagine that this is the first of what you hope is many for 2025. Just talk about the year ahead and the work that you're going to be putting in.
Should be a very busy next few months with a number of deals in our pipeline, both large scale and small scale machine purchase orders that we're working to close and put our best foot forward at the beginning of fiscal 25 so that we can have a very strong year ahead.
Well, exciting times ahead for sure, Brent. We look forward to following the story. Great to see you again. Congratulations on this deal.
Thanks so much, Steve.
All right, Brent Charlton, the president and CEO of Enwave Corporation.